Good morning. Welcome to our kickoff to Healthy Anne Arundel Month. My name is Rick Anthony. I am the Director of Recreation and Parks and a proud partner to be a part of this coalition. Dr. Chan had a death in the family, so she sends her regards, and I'm taking her place today. So this is a great third year that we're having of the coalition between Anne Arundel County, some very important partners that I will mention a little bit later. But at this time, I would like to acknowledge our county executive, Steve Shue. Let's give him a hand. And he's going to come up and read the proclamation.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming out today. It's a little rainy, but that's good for the farmers, right? We all know that. This is the kickoff of Healthy Anne Arundel Month. This is our third Healthy Anne Arundel Month. And this month is intended to encourage all of the residents of Anne Arundel County to live healthy lifestyles and to live long and healthy lives. Now, this event and this month is the brainchild of the Healthy Anne Arundel Coalition. And the coalition itself is a joint effort of the county government, our nonprofit community, and our fabulous community hospitals here in Anne Arundel County. All of these groups are working together to encourage the residents of this county to pursue physical fitness, to pursue good mental health practices, to lead healthy lifestyles, and of course, to eat properly. The first step in a healthy lifestyle is to eat well. And that's what this farmers market is all about, not to mention the other farmers markets around our county, and believe it or not, the 145 farmers markets that exist throughout the state of Maryland. And I'll tell you what, you can find anything here. It's certainly about fresh vegetables and fresh fruits, but when you walk around one of our farmers markets, you will find everything you can imagine. Fresh sausages and other meats, croissants, yogurts, quail eggs. If you've been looking around for quail eggs, this is where you can get them. Everything is here, everything imaginable, and it's such a fun way to spend the morning. So I encourage everybody to turn out and visit an Anne Arundel County Farmers Market. Now, at this point, I'd like to read a proclamation kicking off Healthy Anne Arundel Month. The proclamation reads, on behalf of the citizens of Anne Arundel County, Maryland, the county is celebrating the third annual Healthy Anne Arundel Month, which is sponsored by the Healthy Anne Arundel Coalition. And the goal of Healthy Anne Arundel Month is to motivate county residents, businesses, community organizations, faith-based groups, government agencies, healthcare providers, and schools to take action toward better physical and behavioral health. And Healthy Anne Arundel Month focuses on promoting Healthy Anne Arundel Coalition's health improvement priorities of obesity prevention, the management of substance abuse and mental health as co-occurring disorders, and improving access to healthcare. And the Healthy Anne Arundel Coalition serves as a partnership, a network of public sector agencies, healthcare providers and insurers, community-based organizations, businesses, and academic institutions, and information about Healthy Anne Arundel Month activities, events, and programs will be made accessible to county residents through a centralized calendar, and we proudly recognize the Healthy Anne Arundel Coalition and its partners for developing and implementing activities and events to improve the health of all county residents through this initiative. Thank you very much for everyone who has participated in making this Healthy Anne Arundel Month a reality. Have a great day.
Let's give our county executive a hand once again. Just a quick, I just want to acknowledge our CAO is here, Mark Hartzell. Let's give him a hand for coming out. From the County Executive's Office, Michelle Corkadale and Owen McAvoy, thank you for coming out. And I do want to acknowledge some very significant partners that are here, and I'm going to ask Karen to come up just for a couple of words, and then we're going to turn it over to the gentleman that founded this market, Mr. Martin Zazy. I might not have said that right. So Adrienne Mickler is with our mental health. Thank her for partner. Yavola Peters is with Anne Arundel County. She's one of the liaisons. Thank her for all of her efforts. And we have Karen Olskamp from Baltimore Washington Medical Center. I want to ask Karen to come up just to say a couple of words. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'll be very short. Welcome to the opening of the Farmers Market. I'm here representing the Healthy Anne Arundel Coalition that is led by our county health department and is co-chaired by the two hospitals in the community, Anne Arundel Medical Center and Baltimore Washington Medical Center. So thank you to all the farmers and for everyone who brings such wonderful products here. It helps us and our county live healthier lives. And so we appreciate all that you do. And now I'm going to go shopping. But before I do that, I'm going to turn it over to Martin Zamer. Martin, if you could please come up. Martin really led the establishment of this farmers market, so it's our pleasure to welcome him. Martin?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Martin Zamer, and I happen to be the chairman of this farmers market. I would like to say a few words at this time in relation to the history of this market. It was started 35 years ago. This will be our 36th year that we will be here in business. The market actually started because at that time tobacco was king in Anne Arundel County and the state of Maryland. Through research and whatnot, it was found that tobacco was a substance that was unhealthy for people, and it took 250 years to establish itself, but it actually fell apart in about 45 or 50 years. After tobacco failed, something had to be done because the influx of people buying land and moving out of the cities came right down on the county. It was near the water and it had many amenities that people were looking for. The county government, as I must say, they have been very good to us over the years. The Department of Agriculture helped us. The extension agent helped us. We had help from everywhere. And it began to fly. The people brought their produce here, they received a decent price, they were happy. And I've always said, in business, you have to treat your customers with kindness and respect, you have to have a good product, and you have to have a reasonable price, and you shall succeed. And it did. Right. So here we are. We, after 35 years, we are now continuing. And at one time, I'm not sure what it is now, at one time, this was the largest and most successful farmers market in Anne Arundel County. And I don't know what it is, but at least it's still on the way. It has expanded. Several years, a year or so afterwards, or 2 years afterwards, we asked for a second building, which the county executive approved that. The second building was put up. And I'd like to keep it short because I know that she was a very busy man. At that time, it started with 5 or 6 individuals. We now are approaching 100 vendors. So the market has really grown. And thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all for coming out.